Assalamu alaikum. Do you know that Upwork has a ranking system where it gives profile badges to the most skilled freelancers on the platform to help them attract more clients? If you are interested in getting a profile badge, this video is for you. Let's get a shiny badge today. Firstly, I want to explain what badges Upwork offers. The first one is Rated Talent. It's available for everybody who meets the criteria, and it's the easiest to get when you are new to Upwork. Second one is Top Rated, and then Top Rated Plus, and at the end, Expert Vetted. As you can see, Expert Vetted is a very rare and only 1% of the freelancers can get it. And Top Rated Plus, 3%. Top Rated is given to top 12% of the freelancers. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the first one, and I will talk about others in the following videos. Let's get started. So, the Rising Talent Badge. This is how it looks on your profile. When you are new to Upwork gives this badge to you, and if you have good work experience and if you can show it, it's very easy to get this badge. Here is a criteria. Firstly, it says have 100% complete profile with signs of great experience prior to joining Upwork. So what it means is you need to fill your profile, all the fields. You should have 1% complete profile, and it gives focus on this part, great experience prior to joining Upwork. It means that you should fill your experience field with your out of the Upwork experience. Maybe you worked at some company, interned at some place, and you should fill job related experience as much as possible. And if you have these two, you are good to go. The second criteria says you should have a positive performance on Upwork and submit high quality proposals and being selected for jobs. What it says is that you should be available, searching for jobs, and your proposals should be on the point, like professional. You should be submitting proposals to the jobs that match your profile, and you should be writing good proposals that are professional, grammar, like without grammar mistakes and so on. And here it says being selected for jobs. Don't be afraid of this point. I have seen freelancers getting this Rising Talent Badge even before getting any jobs. And the third one, it says follow the Upwork terms of service. And yeah, you should look through these terms of service. Common mistakes may be showing someone else, like using someone else's profile or some kind of such frauds. And moving on, benefits of this badge. The benefits of this badge: a Rising Talent shiny beautiful badge that displays on your profile attracts clients, and it looks cool. It sets you apart from most of the other freelancers on the platform. Secondly, reduced fees on featured jobs. Featured jobs are kind of jobs where clients pay money to reach out to the skilled freelancers. So you will be charged 10% instead of 20% on featured jobs. And you will get a one-time bonus of 30 free connects. Also, lastly, you will have an access to chat and email support from specialized support team. And your Rising Talent Badge will be replaced with Job Success Score when you have enough jobs. So this is how you can get one. And if you are wondering whether I had one, I never did. Because when I opened my profile, I already had one old profile, and having two profiles is against terms of service, so I could never get a Rising Talent Badge. But I hope you will get one, and see you in the next one.